Hello guys, welcome to another video on WP Blogger. On this channel, we teach beginners how to start blogging with WordPress. So if you're a beginner in WordPress, this is the channel for you. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to export WordPress data. If you have data such as WooCommerce, users, comments, tags, posts, pages, and you would want to export it, save it onto your local machine, then this video is for you. Before we get started into this video, I want to remind you that the recommended hosting platform for WordPress users is Bluehost. This is the hosting platform I'm using for WP Tools Guide. Let me go into my Bluehost portal and show you. So this is a site we've been using for our various tutorials and it's being hosted on Bluehost. This is the hosting platform I recommend for all WordPress users. So if you are looking for a hosting package, click on the link below this video. Check all the packages Bluehost is having. I recommend the Plus and the Choice Plus packages. Get one for yourself and start blogging. Now let's get back into our video for today, and that is how to export WordPress data and save it on your local machine. The first step you have to do is to log into your admin dashboard like I have done here. Come to the plugin section and click on Add New. Now let's search for export. We are going to export, so let's search for export. We have different plugins that can help you export, but the recommended one is this one by Softly or Softly. I hope I got the name correct. It says export any WordPress data to XML or CSV file. So let's install this plugin. Once it's installed, let's click on activate. Our plugin has been activated successfully and we can find it at the left hand side admin menu here. So now let's go to new export. We have first choose what to export. Specific post type is always going to be this. Now we have to choose the type of data. We can export our posts, we can export our pages, we can export our taxonomies. That are the tags and the categories we have on the site. We can also export our comments, our users, and our theme templates. We can export these. In this demo, we are going to export our posts. So I will click on post. The plugin will search for all the posts on our site and we have 126 posts. We are going to export all these posts. There are additional filtering options, but these options are available only in the Pro version. Only in the Pro version. So you can click on this link inside your dashboard, get the Pro version of WP or export, and it will give you the chance to filter, say by draft, by author, by category. As you can see from here, there are many filtering options that you have here, but these are only available in the Pro version. So once everything is okay, just click on migrate post here. It will take a while for all posts to be migrated or to be exported. So I am going to pause this video. Once I hit confirm and run export, once the export has completed, we'll resume the video and continue in our tutorial. Before you export, know that you can also change the name of the export, but I'll leave it as it is. And I'll also leave these settings as they are. And I'll just click on confirm and run. So the export has started, and within some few seconds, we finish exporting. So now we can download our export and save it on our local machine. Also, this is a public URL for the exported file, but let's just download the CSV file of our export. So I'll just click on this one to download it. So I will just save it in my WP Blogger folder and click on save. So guys, this is how to export any data in your WordPress site. Just install all export plugin, go to new export and select the kind of data you want to export. In this demo or in this tutorial, we use posts. You could use pages and all that. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've done, please like this video, smash the thumbs up. It means a whole lot to me. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are new to this channel, especially if you're a beginner in WordPress blogging. I teach you how to use WordPress and become better at blogging with WordPress. So, lest I forget, I have also prepared some resources for all WordPress users. Check the resources in the description box below this video. Use these resources and become a better person when it comes to WordPress usage and when it comes to WordPress blogging. Until I come your way with another awesome video, it's bye bye from WP Blogger.